Hello students and welcome back to Science for Class 9, Chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. The subtopic is States of Matter. We all are aware of the states of matter. We know that matter around us exists in three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. These states of matter arise due to variation in characteristics of particles of matter. But did you know that besides these three states, there are two other states of matter? Apart from solid, liquid, and gaseous state, scientists have discovered two more states of matter. These two states of matter are plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate, also known as BEC. Thus, as per modern science, there are total 5 states of matter. Let us see which are these 5 states of matter. The first one is the solid state. The second one is the liquid state. The third one is the gaseous state. The fourth one is plasma. And the fifth is the Bose-Einstein condensate. Let's quickly go through the states of matter and their characteristics. Solids, as we know, have definite shape, they have definite volume, they have strong forces of attraction, they are rigid, and they are the least compressible. Liquids, they take the shape of the container, they have definite volume, they have intermediate forces of attraction, they are fluid in nature, and they are more compressible than solids. Gases, they have no definite shape nor volume. The forces of attraction between the particles in a gas is the least. They are the most compressible, and the rate of diffusion is the highest in gases. Plasma are super energetic and super excited particles, and these are artificially generated from neutral gases. The Bose-Einstein condensate, this is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density to super low temperatures. Plasma. Plasma is the fourth fundamental state of matter. Plasma does not naturally exist on the Earth under normal surface conditions, but plasma can be artificially generated from neutral gases. It is produced artificially on Earth. It is found in plasma displays including TV screens, rocket exhaust, and neon signs. In universe, plasma is found in sun and other stars, in solar wind, etc. This is an example of a neon sign and a plasma LED TV. Now plasma, as I have said, is a state which consists of super energetic and super excited particles. These particles are in the form of ionized gases. In neon sign bulbs, there is neon gas, and in fluorescent tube, there is helium gas. When the gas gets ionized and the electrical energy flows through it, this charging up creates a plasma glowing inside the bulb or the tube. The plasma glows with a special color depending on the nature of the gas. The sun and the stars glow because of the presence of plasma in them. In stars, plasma is created because of very high temperature. The Bose-Einstein condensate. The Bose-Einstein condensate is considered as the fifth state of matter. Bose-Einstein condensate is known as BEC or BE condensate in short. The Bose-Einstein condensate is formed by cooling a gas of extremely low density to super low temperatures. Bose-Einstein condensate got its name in the honor of Satyendra Narayan Bose, who is an Indian scientist, and Albert Einstein. This is a picture of Satyendra Narayan Bose and Einstein. This is an image of the Bose-Einstein condensate. I'll just speak a little more on the Bose-Einstein condensate. In a gas, each atom has its own energy and is able to move freely. When these atoms are bosons, they are allowed to have the same energy at the same time. So when the gas is cooled down, the atoms slow down and their energy decreases. Because of their quantum nature, the atoms behave as waves that increase in size as temperature decreases. At very low temperature, the size of these waves becomes larger than the average distance between the atoms. Then at extremely low temperatures, all the bosons are able to be at the very same energy in the quantum state and all form a single collective quantum wave. Now this is known as the Bose-Einstein condensate. Let us quickly summarize what we have covered in this video. There are 5 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and the Bose-Einstein condensate. If you have not yet subscribed, this is the time to do it. Don't forget to like and share. Until the next video, stay home, stay safe.